Commercial property is going through a revolution right now. We have discussed in the past, but now a lot of commercial investors, which we have tremendous amount of investors with Golden Bricks, are in contact with us. They want to know how commercial market is performing currently, what is the amount of rental income they can create in the future, how the prices will react in the future, what are the top locations for the investment to do in the future, and what should they do with the current commercial portfolio. So here's my intake on commercial property. If you're taking notes, the most important thing you should consider right now is commercial property is going through a revolution. So you must consider your portfolio one more time. Right now, the current data says that about 67% of commercial investors paid rent on time, whether it's office space, whether it's retail, anchor store, food courts, restaurants. So if you are invested in a good location and your tenant is making good money, chances are they have paid the rent on time. But if you invested in a future upcoming location and you are paid at a higher rental, you have been contacted by a tenant to renegotiate the rentals. Since the lockdown's been opened, we have seen about 50% footfall back in the businesses, depending on the industry. I see if we stay patient till March 2021, we'll see about 100 or 120% footfall coming back in the commercials. So the number one thing I would recommend you is to reshuffle your portfolio. Consider what all properties you want to sell. Consider what all properties you want to add in your commercial portfolio. We have seen retail has hit the most in terms of footfall, but also the moment the lockdown was lifted, it was the most bounce back and preferred opportunity to do your shopping and to visit in the evenings. Office spaces is still struggling. A lot of companies are pushing work from home all the way till September end, October end, and some of them till the year end. That means less footfall of office spaces are coming in. People are maintaining social distances at work. They're investing a lot of money in their own interiors to create that kind of social distancing, which has led to renegotiations in office spaces. So if you have some office spaces in the portfolio, I definitely recommend you to reconsider the investment and invest in the future upcoming locations where the tenants are paying very, very less rent, but they will be happy to pay you as they're now looking for a larger space and they will move from a smaller office space to a larger office space. If you're a retail investor, stay patient till March. We are expecting about 50% footfall to jump to 120% footfall. And that's where your tenant will make money and you will also get your returns back. The new asset class in commercial property portfolio, which has suddenly come up, are called service apartments. This has shown to be the tremendous asset. 100% of service apartment tenants have paid rent on time. That's amazing. You also understand this is the only commercial portfolio which sells on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. That means the chances are you got up to 12 to 14% rental income. So one of the things I'm recommending in Golden Bricks to all my commercial investors, mature investors, is to add a service apartment into their portfolio. The benefits of service apartments are it's a mixed land opportunity. You may have a residential tenant coming in and living in a small family. You also could have an expat which is now relocating to country. Chances are there are many more coming in the future because Modi government and India is focusing on Build in India campaign. A lot of Europeans and international countries are now investing in India, Gurgaon being the number one choice. They will move here and they will create a team here which will require luxury service apartments. Number three reason service apartments will grow as suddenly jump of medical tourism has boosted in Gurgaon. Thank you to the big hospital industries we have of Medanta, Medicity, Fortis, Artemis, AIIMS, and many more. There are also opportunity of education coming in here. That means in the future, a lot of education cities, big universities, families will prefer their kids to come and live in service apartments, not worried about everything on daily basis and focus on a quality study. So if you're an investor, chances are you will get a long-term tenant, a higher appreciation, and most important, the best ROI ever of all commercial real estate asset classes. Service apartments will give you tremendous boost in your rental income. So you must consider service apartments. If you are interested in the top 5 commercial properties right now to invest, comment below and me and my team will help you find the right opportunity, which will be completely as per your budget and your need. Thank you for watching. I look forward to see you soon.